Welcome back to our exploration of the law of assumption. Today's video is about the role of self-awareness and self-reflection in clearing the path to manifestation. Self-awareness and self-reflection are critical tools in manifesting your desires, as they help clear mental and emotional obstacles. Let's delve into how you can cultivate these qualities. Self-awareness is about understanding your true self, your thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and motivations. It's recognizing the patterns in your life and how your inner world shapes your experiences. In the context of manifestation, self-awareness helps you identify and focus on what you truly desire. One way to cultivate self-awareness is through mindfulness. Mindfulness involves paying full attention to the present moment without judgment. It allows you to observe your thoughts and feelings objectively, which is essential in understanding what you truly want to manifest. Self-reflection can be enhanced through journaling. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences provides clarity. It allows you to question your limiting beliefs and emotional blocks, which might be hindering your manifestation process. Meditation is another powerful tool for self-reflection. Regular meditation practice helps you connect with your inner self, providing insights into your true aspirations and the mental barriers that may be in your way. When meditation becomes a daily habit, you will gain so much peace, rejuvenation, and will be able to see your path from a higher altitude. Part of self-awareness is recognizing limiting beliefs that might be blocking your path to manifestation. These are often deep-seated beliefs formed in childhood or through past experiences. Identifying and challenging these beliefs is crucial in clearing your path. Start with the first limiting belief that comes to your attention. Observe it from different perspectives. Question it, don't take it for granted. A bad past experience is only a lesson learned. It is not a life sentence. Emotional intelligence is about recognizing and managing your own emotions and understanding the emotions of others. By understanding your emotional being, you become more intelligent and create a balanced mindset that supports positive manifestation. In the alternate space, or in the quantum field, or in the universe are created the experiences you encounter in life. The good ones and the bad ones equally. Reflect on your past experiences and learn from them. Each one of them is telling something about you. What patterns do you notice? What lessons can you take from past successes and failures? This reflection helps in making more informed and focused efforts towards your goals. Setting aside time for self-reflection has paramount importance. Make it a daily habit. Remove other habits that are getting on your way to achieving your goals, and replace them with self-awareness practices like the ones we mentioned in this video. The better you know who you really are, the easier it is to manifest. Set aside time each day or week to reflect on your journey, your progress, and your inner state. This habit ensures that you stay aligned with your true desires and intentions. Remember, the journey to successful manifestation is not just about setting intentions and visualizing. It's also about understanding yourself deeply and clearing any mental and emotional obstacles. The same way we shower every day, brush our teeth, change clothing, and so on, it is equally important to practice inner clearance and reflection. This is because we are constantly targeted by the media and by our surroundings with abundant negative programming. Clearing daily all that negative dirt from your inner being will help you shine your inner light on your path. See you on the next video.